Okay, now these are all softened, and I have already whip stitched that one together, and I'm whip stitching this one together, basically doing this just so that I can see how it's going to fit. I couldn't do it with just two, so this is going to be pretty doggone big, but it'll keep me extra warm. We'll see how this goes. Okay, now I have finished doing the other side. I finally got it to fit. So what I'm doing now is the area that I whip stitched it to put it together just to see if it was going to work or not. I'm going to go ahead now and go and finish stitching this section up so it'll be good and secure. I'm really excited. This thing is going to be great, but I might have to move to Alaska to to wear it because it's going to be really heavy. This takes a bit of time, but it's worth it. And like I said, I'm not a seamstress at all. I do what I do with and enjoy it. This glove thing is just wonderful because the needle goes right into that, and you could push it in, and you don't have to use your hand when it's really tough. So I'll be doing this for a while now, till I get all the way down to that part here. And once I get that done, then I can do some refinement. I still have to decide on a few other things, but it fits. That's what's great. And I had to use all three beaver hides to get it roomy enough so that you could put nice decent amount of clothes underneath you too. This is going to be really fun. Really fun. So here's just a little bit of a close-up view of getting this thing stitched and using this guy. People who do this a lot have those leather fur hide sewing machines, and they could whip this out in a heartbeat. But this is my sewing machine. 2 hands, a glover's needle. That's what this needle is. It has sharp little edges, so it sort of cuts through the hide and makes it a little bit easier to get through. But there's still times when you just need to push it through with this. When I get some hair that's coming up too high, if I can push it, tuck it in, that's great. But if not, that's okay. There's a lot of hair in that beaver hide. So this is what's going to be happening for a while here, till I get this all tucked in and sewn up. It's warm having it sit on my lap, but it's too big to, I don't have any other place to work with it, so sitting here on the plywood until I get it all done is perfect for it. Me and the hide. Alrighty, the next time you see it, it should be all sewed up and finished. Alright, the beaver cape is finished. Absolutely. Came out awesome. It is wonderful. It is broad. It is warm. It fits really nice. I can have it hang down like this and close it up and have all the warmth I need. Open it up, do whatever work I need to do this way, or flip it up and have work that I can do with it this way. Super versatile, super warm, super soft. Wish you guys could feel this. It is wonderful. These are so waterproof. The water just runs off of these. Well, they're beaver. Anyway, I'm so happy I did this. It is so amazing. Absolutely so amazing. Thanks for joining me here, and we'll see what other things we'll end up doing this year. Maybe another first? I don't know. We'll see. Oh hey, here I am. Wall-to-wall beaver. The hat that we made last year, on top of this, my gosh, this is absolutely heaven.